Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Maxwell Pario, and today we're opening some packs. I know it's Monday, we're supposed to be doing how-tos and all that good stuff, but I need some help with some ideas on what the next how-to video should be. So, for today, go down in the comment section, comment what you think should be the next how-to video next Monday, and, let me know how you like the video. While you're down there, leave a like, of course. This video is just going to be a straight pack opening. We'll cut here quick. And we're back, guys. Sorry about that. For you guys, it took like 2 seconds. For me, it took literally like 10 minutes. But I didn't want to have you sitting around and waiting for it, so we just went ahead and cut. It happens a lot with the older packs. Or all of the packs. Cut. And we're back again, guys. This for you is going to be a very short video. But for me, this is taking forever, and it's not even worth it. I don't want a Suicune regular rare. I want this to load straight to here. Straight to here. For the love of God. Cut. I'll tell you what. This pack best be having some damn good pull in it. So if I'm going to do all this for nothing, it's going to piss me off. This is going to have the Hyper Rare Charizard in it. It better. Ooh, look at that. Anything previous to Sun and Moon was opening horribly. Boop. I got a Golisopod GX. Get a, what are we going to get in here? Nothing. It's Crimson Invasion. We all know these pull rates suck. So, prove me right, Crimson. Hey, look at that. I called it. And, you know what? We're going to open 2 of these and the Forbidden Lights as well. Because I want some of the good stuff. The really, really good stuff. Like, give me a gold Lunala, gold Solgaleo in here. You're good. I'm golden. I just need that. Currently, actually, just so I can trade stuff. As you can tell, I'm running very, very low on codes. So if you want to be awesome, hit me up on Instagram or Twitter, and there's a stack of cards around here somewhere that I will grab up, and I can trade cards for code cards. Just letting y'all know, you know. See, this is really odd to me because I haven't seen this in a long time. And that's where the rare can actually be a trainer. Not like a full art trainer either. It's just a normal, regular trainer. I haven't seen that in forever. It's nice to know that it's coming back, but, yeah. You know what? Yeah, I'm just going to open the other 5. It shouldn't take too long. I could really use a decent pull. Palkia GX is no good pull. It's no good. I don't want the Scrotums either. Call back to Big Jiggly Panda and Professor K from the Pokemon Evolutionaries. In one of their Ultra Prism openings against each other, they called Rotoms a certain other thing. So, I've kind of picked up on that. My God, can you give me something? Big shout out to, what's this dude's name? Yes, I have to do this right now. For shoving 6 packs my way. Well, 5 in a Mewtwo. Garrett Crouch on Twitter. Thank you so much for giving me some of these codes that I have opened today. Oh my God. Alright, well, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, enjoyed seeing a bunch of stuff pulled and me getting really frustrated with the old packs, leave a like, comment down below next week's how-to video. Please comment. Please comment. I can't do 5 pack openings a week. I can't afford to do this. Anyway, before I just get down on both hands and knees and start begging, if you enjoyed it and you're new, subscribe, hit the bell icon. And with that, we'll talk to y'all later. My name is Megaswampario, and you guys stay the very best.